Today, we'll delve into the importance of diversifying your income sources, how to generate passive and active income, and the long-term benefits of building multiple streams of income. So, let's get started on this journey to financial independence. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's understand why multiple income streams matter. Many of us rely solely on our regular paycheck, but what if unexpected events disrupt our primary income source? Diversifying your income can provide a safety net and enhance financial security. By exploring different avenues of earning, you'll gain a sense of empowerment and control over your finances. To begin, let's discuss the benefits of diversifying your income. First and foremost, having multiple streams of income reduces reliance on a single paycheck, making you more resilient to financial challenges. If one income source faces a setback, you'll still have others to fall back on, reducing financial stress and uncertainty. Moreover, multiple income streams can accelerate your progress toward financial goals. Whether it's paying off debt, saving for a home, or investing for retirement, diversifying your income allows you to allocate more resources towards your financial objectives. Additionally, creating multiple income streams can provide a sense of financial freedom and independence. Instead of feeling tied to a traditional 9-to-5 job, you'll have the flexibility to explore opportunities that align with your passions and interests. Furthermore, as your income streams grow, you'll have the potential to build wealth more efficiently. The additional income can be reinvested or used to fund other income-generating ventures, creating a snowball effect that propels you toward your financial dreams. Passive income is a powerful concept that allows you to earn money with minimal effort once you've set up the income stream. Let's explore some popular passive income ideas that can work for you. 1. Dividend investing. Dividend investing involves buying shares of dividend-paying stocks or funds. As a shareholder, you receive a portion of the company's profits in the form of dividends. Look for established companies with a history of consistent dividend payments. Reinvesting dividends can accelerate your wealth-building process through compounding. 2. Rental properties. Owning rental properties can provide a steady stream of passive income. The rental income from tenants covers your property expenses, and over time, the property can appreciate in value. Conduct thorough research and due diligence when investing in real estate. Consider factors like location, property management, and potential rental demand. 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer, P2P, lending platforms allow you to lend money to individuals or businesses in exchange for interest payments. Start with small loan amounts and diversify across different borrowers to reduce the risk of default. Passive income ideas like dividend investing, rental properties, and P2P lending provide an excellent opportunity to earn money while you focus on other aspects of your life. The key to successful passive income streams lies in careful planning, diligent execution, and long-term commitment. One book that provides valuable insights into the world of passive income is The 4 Pillars of Investing by William J. Bernstein. This book explores the fundamentals of investing and can help you make informed decisions when building your passive income portfolio. Active income streams are those that require your time, effort, and skills to generate earnings. While they may demand more involvement than passive income streams, active income opportunities often provide more immediate returns and room for growth. Freelancing allows you to offer your skills and expertise as a service. You can find freelance opportunities in various fields, such as writing, graphic design, programming, and consulting. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr can connect you with clients seeking freelancers for their projects. The digital age has opened up vast opportunities for entrepreneurs to start online businesses. Whether you're selling physical products through e-commerce or offering digital products like ebooks and courses, an online business can be a lucrative venture. Focus on building a strong online presence through social media and content marketing to attract your target audience. If you have a passion for creating content, consider starting a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast. Content creators can earn through advertisements, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even merchandise sales. Active income streams like freelancing, online businesses, and content creation allow you to monetize your skills and creativity. They provide opportunities to showcase your expertise, connect with an audience, and grow your income over time. For inspiration and practical advice on starting your own business, consider reading The $100 Startup by Chris Guillebeau. This book shares case studies of successful entrepreneurs who built businesses with minimal upfront investment. Now that we've explored both passive and active income streams, let's discuss the power of combining them to accelerate your journey to financial freedom. The real magic happens when you combine passive and active income streams. By diversifying your income sources, you create a well-rounded financial portfolio that offers stability and potential for exponential growth. Your active income streams can serve as the foundation for building passive income. By allocating a portion of your earnings from active endeavors to investments that generate passive income, you set the stage for long-term wealth accumulation. Consider using a portion of your freelance or business income to invest in dividend-paying stocks or rental properties. These assets can generate passive income to supplement your active earnings. Passive income streams can provide financial security, allowing you to take more calculated risks with your active income endeavors. As your passive income grows, you may have the freedom to explore new business opportunities or invest in projects that align with your interests and passions. Combining multiple income streams not only diversifies your revenue sources but also reduces the reliance on a single source of income. The ultimate goal is financial freedom, a state where your income from various sources covers your expenses and allows you to pursue the lifestyle you desire without financial constraints. Imagine the peace of mind that comes from having both passive and active income streams working together. Whether you're investing your freelancing income into dividend stocks or reinvesting your blog earnings into real estate, the possibilities are endless. One book that can help you understand the power of combining income streams is The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. This classic book shares timeless financial lessons through entertaining stories set in ancient Babylon. While creating multiple income streams is a rewarding endeavor, it's essential to acknowledge and prepare for the challenges you may face along the way. Let's explore some common hurdles and practical strategies to overcome them. 1. Time management. Balancing multiple income streams can be demanding, especially if you have a full-time job or other responsibilities. Efficient time management is key. Create a schedule that allocates dedicated time to each income stream. Prioritize tasks based on urgency and impact, and consider leveraging productivity tools and automation to streamline your workflow. 2. Initial investment. Starting certain income streams, like investing in real estate or launching a business, may require initial capital. Lack of funds can be a roadblock for some individuals. Begin with income streams that require minimal investment, such as freelancing or content creation. As you generate income, consider reinvesting a portion to fund new ventures. 3. Patience and persistence. Building multiple income streams takes time, and success may not come overnight. It's essential to stay persistent, even when results seem slow. Remember that each income stream requires nurturing and effort to grow. Celebrate small wins and remain committed to your long-term goals. 4. Risk management. Diversification is a valuable risk management strategy. Avoid putting all your resources into a single income stream to protect against potential losses. Assess the risk-reward profile of each income stream and ensure it aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Overcoming these challenges requires dedication and a growth mindset. Remember, every successful entrepreneur or investor faced obstacles along their journey. It's not about avoiding challenges, but how you adapt and persevere in the face of adversity. A book that provides valuable insights on overcoming challenges and building a resilient mindset is The 4-Hour Workweek by Timothy Ferriss. This book offers unconventional strategies for maximizing productivity and achieving personal and financial freedom. Now that you're equipped with knowledge about creating multiple income streams and overcoming challenges, let's explore the long-term benefits of diversifying your income and how it can lead to lasting financial success. Congratulations on taking the initiative to create multiple income streams and diversify your financial future. In this final section, we'll explore the long-term benefits of your efforts and how they can lead to lasting wealth and financial freedom. 1. Building sustainable wealth. By having multiple income streams, you're not only increasing your present income but also building a foundation for sustainable wealth. The compounding effect plays a significant role in wealth creation. As your income streams grow and generate more revenue, you have the opportunity to reinvest and accelerate your financial progress. 2. Achieving financial freedom. The ultimate goal of diversifying income is to achieve financial freedom, where you have enough passive income to cover your living expenses and enjoy life on your terms. As your income streams become more established and autonomous, you'll gain the freedom to make choices based on passion and purpose rather than financial necessity. 3. Early retirement and flexibility. Creating multiple income streams can lead to early retirement for some individuals. Achieving financial independence at a younger age offers the flexibility to pursue personal interests and spend more time with loved ones. Early retirement doesn't necessarily mean not working at all. It means having the option to work on projects you're passionate about without financial stress. 4. Reinventing yourself. Diversifying income can open doors to various opportunities and ventures. As you explore new income streams, you may discover hidden talents or interests you never knew you had. Embrace the journey of self-discovery, and don't be afraid to pivot or reinvent yourself along the way. To dive deeper into long-term wealth building and achieving financial independence, I recommend 2 books that offer invaluable insights. The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko explores the common traits and habits of millionaires, providing inspiration and practical guidance. Another excellent resource is Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert T. Kiyosaki. This book challenges traditional views on money and offers thought-provoking lessons on how to think like the wealthy and build a prosperous future. As we conclude this journey on creating multiple income streams, remember that achieving financial success requires consistent education, disciplined action, and a long-term perspective. Stay committed to your goals, and don't be discouraged by setbacks or challenges. Embrace the process, stay open to learning, and adapt as needed. I hope you found this video helpful and that it inspires you to take actionable steps toward diversifying your income. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights on personal finance and wealth building. Please keep in mind that the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Always consult with a qualified financial professional before making any significant financial decisions. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, keep striving for financial success and creating a prosperous future for yourself and your loved ones. Take care, and goodbye.